Hello and welcome back to a brand new session of Meeti Academy. So today we'll cover a new topic of statistics here. So statistics in our 10th standard board exams cover somewhat 8 to 10 marks with options. Okay? So the chapter is divided into 4 main parts: mean, median, mode and pie diagram and bar graphs. So today in our first video we'll cover mean. So the mean is divided into 3 different parts. Mean, the numericals on mean can be solved by 3 different formulas. So therefore the mean is divided into 3 different parts. First is the direct method, second is the assume mean method, and third is the step deviation method. So in our first video we will cover all the 3 methods of the mean section. The remaining concepts here will be covered in the next videos. Mean, we'll start with the first numerical today of mean. Mean is denoted by x bar. We know that mean has 3 different formulas to solve. The first one is the direct method, second was the assumed mean, and third was the step deviation. The first numerical we'll solve today is the direct method numerical. So direct method formula is x bar, that is for mean, is equal to summation of xi fi upon summation of fi. Mean x bar, summation fi xi upon fi. Okay, we have our question here. In our question for our numerical, the class will already be given and the table for frequency will be given. The class will be given. So we have class here as 0 to 20, 20 to 40 till 80 to 100. We have from 0 to 20 till 80 to 100. The interval is of 20. Okay, then frequency table will already be given. So what is xi? So xi is the class mark, or we can say the midpoint as in 20 and 0. ये दो numbers का average. So 0 plus 20, we can remove average. 0 plus 20 upon 2. So 20 plus 0 is 20. 20 divided by 2, answer is 10. So average here is 10. Next, 20 to 40, average. 40 plus 20, 60. 60 upon 2 is 30. So xi table we know how to calculate by removing the midpoints. So 0 to 20, 10. 20 to 40, 30. 40 to 60, 50. And so on till 90. The midpoints. Fi table will be given. Next term we have to calculate is xi fi. So xi fi we have to calculate here. Why? Because the formula for mean is summation fi xi. Means we have to remove the multiplication of fi and xi. So what we'll do is multiply the terms. So 10 into 3, 30. 30 into 7, 2 1 10. 50 into 15, 750. And 70 into 20, 1400. And 90 into 5 is 450. So we have removed the table for xi and fi. Again, if you look at our formula, the formula states summation for fi xi and summation for fi. What does this sign summation means? Summation means add all the terms. In simple language, सबको प्लस कर दो. So fi का summation to 7 plus 3 plus 15 plus 20 plus 5. If you total it out, it will be 50. Again, summation for xi fi. So 30 plus 2110 plus 750 plus 1400 plus 450. The total here by adding will be 2840. Now simple formula by direct method. We have removed 2 values here, fi and xi. So fi, summation fi का value is 50, summation fi xi का value is 2840. Direct method का formula is summation fi xi upon fi. मतलब we have to divide both these terms. So division self. So value is 2840 divided by 50. Answer comes out to be 56.8. This is our first method, direct method, जहाँ पे what we have to do is class दिया हुआ रहेगा, frequency दिया हुआ रहेगा, class mark calculate करना है, as in the midpoints, then दोनों का multiplication, then fi का submission यानी addition, then xi fi का submission यानी addition, इन दोनों को डिवाइड करेंगे तो अपन को मीन बन जाएगा बाय डायरेक्ट मेथड। चेक आउट योर आंसर्स। द कैलकुलेशन एंड डिवीजन शुड बी वेरी थरो एंड डेसिमल वैल्यू शुड बी करेक्ट एज well. The method is the assumed mean method. Assumed mean method में everything remains the same, although the formula has a bit of the change. First, we have to find d bar. The value for d bar is equal to summation fi di upon summation fi, and the final formula mean is equal to a plus d bar. Means we have to calculate this new value of d bar. So how to calculate d bar from a given question? So again, the class for our numerical will be given to us. Class जो भी है वो दिया हुआ रहेगा and frequency जो भी है वो दिया हुआ रहेगा. Next step or the first step always to calculate for mean is xi. xi का मतलब क्या था? Midpoint निकालना. Midpoint as in इन दोनों का average. If you remember, very good. Otherwise, for one point I will remove it for you. 200 plus 240 divided by 2. Answer comes out to be 440 upon 2, which is equal to 220. If you can do it orally, very good. If you cannot do it orally, then इसको calculate इस तरीके से करना है. So first midpoint or xi bar is 220. Next, look at it logically. इसको अगर logic से देखेंगे तो 240 और 280 के बीच में जो नंबर आता है, that is 260. And if you catch the pattern here, अगर यहाँ पे अगर समझोगे तो 240 और 260 में difference is of 40. So यहाँ पे वो सीक्वेंस को add plus 40 करते करते अपन इसको end करेंगे. For starting 2 या 3 numerical, whichever you are solving, calculate all the values so that you understand the pattern. After that you can just write it down as it is. Okay, so this method is called as the assume mean method. So यहाँ पे we have to assume a value for a mean, that is एक value a को assume करना है. So assume कैसे करेंगे? So यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 वैल्यूज है. इनका एकदम मिडिल मोस्ट वैल्यू देखेंगे तो 2 ऊपर 2 नीचे. So this is the value which is in the middle. So कौन सा वैल्यू है वो? So 300 is our assumed value for this numerical. So assume mean में we have assumed 300 as our value. Okay. So अब next the calculation is d. d is equal to xi minus a. xi कहाँ है? ये रहा. a कहाँ है? ये रहा. So xi minus a करना है. So 220 minus 300. 220 xi minus a, right? So 220 minus 300. Again एक बार मैं करता हूं. 220 minus 300. 300 में से 220. It comes out to be 80. Greater number sign minus, तो इसलिए minus 80. So पहला value for d is minus 80. Next xi minus a as in 260 minus 300. कितना आएगा 260 माइनस 300? तो आंसर आएगा माइनस 40. नेक्स्ट 300 माइनस 300 आंसर आएगा 0. 340 माइनस 300 आंसर आएगा 40. एंड लास्ट वैल्यू 380 माइनस 300 आंसर आएगा 80.
Ready.
So last value we have obtained here is 80. Again, how to remove value for d? So xi minus a. xi का value is the midpoint for all the values. ठीक है? And then d का value is xi minus a. a is the assumed value. xi minus a 220 minus 300, 260 minus 300, 300 minus 300, 340 minus 300 and 380 minus 300. The last value again the simplest one fi di as in multiplication of these both terms. So 5 into 80. 5 8s are 40 and 400. 10 into 40 400. 0 into anything 0. 12 4s are 480 and 8 8s are, so it is 640. So next we have our formula here. submission fi di upon submission fi. You can calculate the values here by pausing the video for fi di and fi. Okay? So all we have to do is add all the values for submission fi di and submission fi, as in this table and this table. Here, calculate the values and check out with me. So the values for fi di and fi by submission, check out the values. fi di ka submission is 320 and fi ka submission is 50. All you have to do is add the two tables. Okay. Next we have our formula for d bar. D bar is equal to submission fi di upon submission fi. Fi di ka value is 320 upon submission fi ka value is 50. Do the math here by dividing. 0 0 cancels out. 5 ones are 5 6 are 30, decimal and 4 6.4. You can divide as you like. The value for d bar is 6.4. The final formula for this type is x bar is equal to a plus d bar. X bar is the mean. A is assumed mean. We have assumed the value for mean here as 300. So 300 plus d bar. D bar is 6.4. Therefore, our final answer is 306.4. So check out this numerical for x bar. The value final answer is 306.4, and this is our numerical on assumed mean method. So our final method here is the step deviation method. The table in the mean calculation has to be very precise and very clear, so that कोई भी values में हमें miscalculation या values गलत जगह पे गलत calculate नहीं हो. So table का format has to be learned properly. The difficult table here is only in step deviation method. So step deviation method, again the class and the frequency will be given to you. Okay, class and frequency दिया हुआ होगा अपने question में. So next value we have to calculate is of xi. Xi is what? The midpoint. So midpoint 800 and 1200 का midpoint, you can calculate it and check out the answers here as 1000, next 1400, 1800, 2200, 2600 and 3000. Okay, you know how to calculate the values for xi. We have to take average of these two terms, as in 800 plus 1200 divided by 2. The answers obtained for xi will be these. Next, the middlemost value here has to be assumed for a. We assume ourselves the value for a as 1800. Okay, so 1800 is our assumed value for a. Next table is di is equal to xi minus a. Xi 1000 minus 1800. Answer comes out to be minus 800. 1400 minus 1800, answer is minus 400, then 0, then 400, 800 and 1200. So these are our values for di. Okay, di is equal to xi minus a. Assume mean method, we have checked how to remove the values. Here I am just substituting the values. Next is our new table, something which we will see only in step deviation method, ui. So ui is equal to di upon g. So what is g here? So g is the difference between the class, as in higher class. I have written down the formula here for g. G is upper class minus lower class. So upper class here for any of the tables, for example the first one. So upper class is 1200 minus lower class. Lower class is 800. So answer is 400. So our value for g, in this numerical is 400. So I can write down here g is equal to 400 for further references. So next what we have to do here is divide di and g. So what is our value for di? 800. And what is our value for g? Is 400. So 800 divided by 400. You know the division, right? 2 zeros gets cancelled out, and 4 ones and 4 twos. So answer comes out to be minus 2, then 400 divided by 400, answer comes out to be minus 1, 0, so 0, 1, 2 and 3. The pattern, if you can see, will remain the same for every table. The final value here is Fi into Qi. So we have calculated the value for Ui. Fi again will be given in our exams or in our question. So we have to multiply the values. So 2 3s is 6, minus sign, therefore minus, 15 1s is 15, 20 0s is 0, 25 1s is 25, 32 is 60, and final value 7 3s is 21. Now again in this table or in this type of numerical, Ui is equal to submission Fi Ui upon submission Fi. मीन हमें कौन से दो वैल्यूज को ऐड करना है, सो सबमिशन Fi Ui, द फाइनल वैल्यू यहाँ पे हमें इसका सबमिशन निकालना है. ओके, सो सबमिशन इज एडिशन ऑफ ऑल द वैल्यूज. ठीक है, सो ऐड ऑल दीज वैल्यूज एंड चेक आउट द आंसर लेटर ऑन. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट सबमिशन फॉर Fi. सो अगेन Fi के वैल्यूज को ऐड करो एंड उसका आंसर मेरे साथ चेक करो. सो सबमिशन, यू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यूज देयर एंड चेक आउट आवर आंसर्स. So your answer will be 85 for us, and your answer would be 18, 48, 43, 53, 63 and 100. Okay, so check out these answers for Fi and Fi Ui. The answers are 100 and 85. So I will write down here submission Fi value is how much? 100. And submission Fi Ui answer is how much? 85. Now we'll get down to our formula and just substitute the values. The first formula is U bar is equal to submission Fi Ui upon Fi. So U bar is equal to submission Fi Ui upon submission Fi. The answer would be 85 upon 100, which is nothing but equal to 0.85. Since यहाँ पे 100 है, what we'll do is take the decimals 2 digit to our left. Okay, so U bar is equal to 0.85. I'll highlight it. Next, our final formula for step deviation method, X bar. X bar is equal to A plus U bar into G. So X bar is equal to A plus U bar into G. The value for A, the value we have assumed here is 1800. So 1800 plus U bar, the value for U bar we have obtained here is 0.85 into G. The value for G is 400. So X bar, the final answer would be 1800 plus, you have to calculate this properly. Any calculation error and the whole final answer would be wrong and your marks would be deducted here. So we'll calculate it properly, decimals and everything has to be taken care of. Check out this answer here. So 85 into 4 is 340 and 2 decimals are in there. So okay, so the final value for X bar is 2140. Calculate it as you like and check out the final answer here as 2140. Cross check it with us. Achha. So there are 2 or 3 doubts in all the minds of the students that the value for A, we can assume any given value. यहाँ पे जो भी values है हमारे पास, हम उनमें से कोई भी एक value को assume कर सकते हैं as A. It is not compulsory कि if I have assumed this value, so A has to be taken this. I can assume this as A, I can assume this as A, or I can assume this as A as well. The answer, final answer should be the same. And next, the table format. If sometimes any student forgets to write the format in the same given way, it is okay. All it matters is the calculating answers has to be Correct. Okay, so these are our three methods for mean. First is the direct method, second is the assume mean method, and third is the step deviation method.